What's up guys, Caruso here. Today I'm doing a guest tutorial on Justin's channel and we're going to be learning how to backside 50-50 grind on a mini ramp. And Justin's going to be over on my channel teaching you guys how to do a sweeper on a mini ramp. So make sure to check that out. Justin gives awesome tutorials. I'll put the link down in the description. Okay, so before you start learning backside 50-50 grinds, just want to make sure you could drop in on a mini ramp and backside slash grind. Alright guys, so first you're just going to want to approach the ramp at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so as we're coming up to the coping, we're going to press on the tail just like we would for that slash grind, but the big difference with a 50-50 is you're getting on top of the coping, right? That's really the hard part of this trick, is learning how to shift your weight from inside of the ramp to on top of the ramp. A lot easier said than done. To get the hang of standing up on the coping, it takes a little bit. Like, it's a whole new rhythm to get used to. But once you get it, it opens up a whole bunch of other tricks for you. So definitely take the time to learn it this way. So as you're coming up the ramp and you're doing your kick turn, you're just gonna have to learn to press on your heel. Now what this does is it kind of gives you leverage to stand up on top of the coping. Right, so you're shifting your weight from pressing on the tail and turning to on your heel and on top of the coping. Okay, so as you're getting the feel of it and you're starting to get on top of the ramp, really when you're coming up at that big angle, there's not much you have to do besides press on your heel and stand up straight. Even the turning, aiming the front truck, that ends up happening by itself, just because of the angle you're coming at. One thing you will need to watch out for is if you start locking in like this, that's not a good technique to get down. You'll learn how to 50-50 and it'll feel really comfortable, but a lot of the tricks that you'll learn on mini ramp are based around having your wheel like this, like learning how to 5-0 long and bring it into fakie. Just a lot of variations come from learning how to grind like this. So I know this feels more comfortable, but it just makes it harder to learn all your other tricks down the road. And also, it kind of sets you up to hang up when you leave your whole truck on the coping. When you have one wheel on, it's a lot less likely. If you have that whole truck on and you go to come in, occasionally you will hang up. Probably something you don't want to do. And that's it guys, once you get that down and you're grinding across this ramp, pretty much it's just that kick turn that you're already able to do just to come in. Just got to lean forward a little more than you normally would because you're coming in from the top now. And once you get those down, you can try to learn some variations. Alright guys, so if you have any questions at all about how to backside 50-50, just leave them in the comments below and I'd be happy to help. Also, thank you again to Justin for having me on his channel. I seriously appreciate it. Yeah, be sure to pop over and check out that sweeper tutorial over on my channel that he did. So, alright, thanks for watching guys.